Hello everyone and welcome to Bond Garden latest adventure. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of sheep farming. Did you know the US is home to over 5 million sheep, playing a vital role in a global industry that produces millions of tons of wool and lamb meat each year? Thanks to advanced breeding techniques and sustainable practices, American sheep farming delivers top-quality wool and meat products. Join us as we explore the journey from lush pastures to the everyday products we cherish. Sheep farming begins with careful breeding and lambing. Farmers select high-quality breeds tailored for either wool or meat production. Newborn lambs are nurtured in open pastures or controlled barns, ensuring they receive optimal nutrition and veterinary care. Sheep typically mature in 6 to 12 months, depending on their purpose. In the US, over 20 million pounds of lamb are produced annually, with a significant portion exported to markets like Canada and Mexico. Sheep shearing is a cornerstone of wool production. On average, each sheep yields 8 to 10 pounds of wool annually, contributing to over 25 million pounds of wool produced in the US each year. After shearing, the wool undergoes a meticulous process of cleaning, sorting, and transformation into textiles, carpets, and even insulation materials. The US exports a significant portion of its wool to countries like China, Italy, and India, fueling a global wool market valued at billions of dollars. Lamb meat processing adheres to stringent hygiene and quality standards. The U.S. produces approximately 150 million pounds of lamb meat annually, offering both fresh and processed products to consumers. Domestic demand is on the rise, particularly in restaurants and specialty markets. Premium cuts are also exported to high-end markets worldwide, solidifying the reputation of American lamb as a premium product. Sheep products are highly prized across the globe. The U.S. exports thousands of tons of lamb and wool annually, supporting a multi-billion-dollar industry. Wool finds its way into fashion, home furnishings, and even industrial applications like soundproofing. Meanwhile, lamb meat remains a delicacy in countries such as France, Japan, and the Middle East. With a focus on sustainability and innovation, the future of American sheep farming looks brighter than ever. And that's the incredible journey of sheep farming. From open pastures to your home, every step is crafted with care and expertise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bond Garden for more fascinating content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.